Honorable Chief Ministers, because time given is 3 minutes, that's why I am not taking the names. All the ministers from the state, deputy chief ministers, and bureaucrats from the central and the state government, friends from media, entrepreneurs. Good morning to you all. Today we have gathered to inaugurate this India Pavilion. And I am very proud to say that, standing amidst the snow of this Alps, I am reminded of more warmer things, that is the aspiration of the 140 crore Indians. So that always keeps us warm, irrespective of the weather. I am quite confident that it has kept going on warm. And also I would like to tell, this space carries the ambition of our people, the resolve of our leadership, that is to make India Vikasit Bharat by 2047, and the belief of India time is not coming, India's time is now. And decades ago, many people who used to come here from India, we on the sideline, when we used to discuss about the future, today whoever is in Davos, they feel that they should come to India Pavilion because it is the most best destination of the world today for the investment. When the world slowed down, India accelerated, which you are all experiencing it now. And when global supply chains broke, India built. So that's what we are seeing there. And there is also a healthy competition among the states for the investment today. And that is the one important thing, by that the firm belief of Honorable Prime Minister is that, irrespective of the political party, whichever is in ruling, when state grows, when state improves, the country improves. When state economy improves, country's economy improves. When state infrastructure improves, country's economy improves. Ultimately, when state becomes Vikasit state, then India will become Vikasit Bharat. With this expectation, a big team has come today under the leadership of Prime Minister Shri Modi. We have moved from reform, perform, transform, and also recently he has added one word, inform. He should inform the world what is happening in India. So from fragile 5-2, today we are the fourth largest economy, and 90,000 highways to nearly about 170 70 kilometers of the highways. Ram is here from 70 airports to 150 airports in 10 years. Many such things I can say. 254 gigawatt of installed electricity capacity today 506 gigawatt of installed electricity capacity. Many such things I can quote, but paucity of the time I do not want to say much. There are more senior leaders here like chief ministers, especially Sri Chandrababu, who is coming here from almost 1990, I believe. 95. And Hemanta Vishwaji is most dynamic leader. And these are all the people who are involved from quite some time. They know much better than me, but since I had to go to another session, I have been given for solar capacity. It was total installed capacity was less than 3 gigawatt. Today in the entire country it is 137 gigawatt. Wind was 24-25 gigawatt. Today it is 55 gigawatt. and now we are planning for resilient infrastructure to absorb the shocks, because the variation will be there in the renewables, proper forecasting, and transition and transformation. These are the important issues which India is tackling today. And when we talked of PM Suryaghar, that is rooftop, when I say to people, because I am very happy to say that one of the highest engagements with me today because of the green energy, and everybody is bothered more about green today. I have meeting many people. When I say 2.7 million of the rooftops have been installed in the country, sometimes they will not be able to believe. And when I say 10 million we are going to install, they will not be able to imagine the figure because their population is also not so much. So India's growth story, now the most important thing, what all we put together another 2 days we can do is, we should properly showcase the India story. Where for the energy itself, that is the green energy and resilient infrastructure, we need more than $350 billion. Leave apart other sectors. There are other sectors. I am not saying no for that. If when Ram gets up, he will tell what he needs in the airline sector. But in this alone sector which I am dealing today, we need a huge investment. And there is a return is assured. So you know the total NPA is the lowest to today. 10, 11 years back, NPA was the highest in the world. Today, lowest 2.1%. So we are managing in every sector well, and that's why Prime Minister is telling to all us, perform, transform, and also not only performing, not only transforming. We should inform. We should inform to the world so that every person who is in Davos, he should feel that he should come here and see India's growth, and whoever has got potential, where is potential, he can invest. That inspiration we should try to create, that atmosphere we should try to create with these words. I am thankful to DPIIT for providing the opportunity to inaugurate and participate, and I am also thankful. IIA Jharkhand Chief Minister has now joined, Himanta Biswa ji. Please sit down. And now here we are showcasing India, not overall investment in a competitive, healthy way, healthy competition. We are trying to increase among the states and put together. We want to make India by 2047 Viksit Bharat, and we are shortly going to be the third largest economy. And then when we want to become the third largest economy, our competition will change. So keeping that in mind, we should go ahead. I wish all the best, and I am thankful for once again for the department and CIA. Dhanyavad, namaskar.